Welcome to RHI's Meet the Team series. I'm excited to introduce you to our operations manager based in Kazakhstan, Baurzhan. Thank you for joining us today. Can you tell us about the history of the energy industry in Kazakhstan and a bit more about your career?
Hi, Stephanie. Thank you for giving this opportunity to share our Kazakhstani, I would say, the experience. Yeah, what I would like to say about the Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is a young country, and the oil and gas industry is very new for us. I would say that compared with the other countries, it's almost only 20 years of this oil and gas industry. So I can see how the oil and gas industry changed our life in Kazakhstan, because it brings lots of technologies. When I came to construction yard, firstly 18 years ago, I've been amazed and impressed with what kind of technologies are used in that day, because in the history, I've spent lots of time being on site with my father, and my father has been a civil engineer, and he tried to involve me a lot to show what he's doing and what is his day-to-day work day. So, and after this, when I came, I've seen the technologies and equipment which used by international companies, and it was very new for us, and it was very interesting. And in this, I would say 20 years, I've seen the changes which the technology brings to our country, to our company. Our company has been on the side of using the Soviet Union technologies and Soviet Union way of doing business. Now it's changed a lot. So I think that's in our history, the big impact being done by the international companies, especially in oil and gas industry.
Fantastic. Baurzhan, would you like to share any key achievements or key learnings that you've had through your career so far?
I think one of my key achievement is that when I joined to oil and gas industry, I've joined to one of the international company called Bechteleka joint venture. It's the British-Turkish company. When I came, I spoke only on two languages, which is normal for us. It's Russian and Kazakh. Mm-hmm. But as the majority of the engineers and the key staff being Turkish guys and British and the American guys, I found myself that there is lots of barriers, the communication barriers. And I've started to learn Turkish language, and it took 4 months. And after 4 months, I can easily discuss with them and communicate to Turkish guys. And I found lots of pluses. I would say that it helps me a lot to communicate. Then I started to learn English. It also takes me about 6 or 7 months. And after this, I found that my communication skills have been more improved, and I can speak with the guys. And the key achievement helps me a lot to develop my career. So that's I think the soft the one of the soft skills which I've got for now.
That's fantastic to learn 2 languages in such a short amount of time. Very impressive. Baurzhan, what would be the best career advice that you would like to give someone who is looking to further their career?
Yeah, I think in nowadays when the technologies changed by the in so fast that I think to develop the career, we need to think about the some how we will found ourselves in this life. What I found that in our country, lots of youngsters after the schooling, they're joining to universities, spending 4 or 5 years, and after this, when they come to industry, they found that it's not interesting to them. And after this, they starting to looking the areas where they think that it's more interesting to them, but it takes ages and years for that. So that's why I think that the for the to develop the career to be a successful, first of all we need to find the area where what is interesting for us. Then we need to identify the clear goals. It could be lots of goals, but with one direction, and to work hardly. That's I think three key elements to get the success.
Fantastic. I love that you shared with us the career advice on finding what interests you, what you're passionate about, and focusing on that, as well as, of course, working hardly, working hard. Thank you, Baurzhan, for your time today and sharing your story with the RHI global community. We're excited to have the Kazakhstan team a part of the RHI family. For those that are following our page, feel free to tune in for more from the team. Thank you, Baurzhan.
Thank you, Stephanie.